Trying to launch a game or app only to be stopped by the System Data OLE DB Module DLL error. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've analyzed this error to find the fastest fix. I've linked the primary utility for System Data OLE DB module in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the System Data OLE DB module, the .NET library for OLE DB database connectivity. It allows managed applications to communicate with legacy Access and SQL databases. If missing, specialized enterprise data tools will report an assembly mismatch, preventing any database-driven data visualization. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. For a proper resolution, I recommend reinstalling the Microsoft.NET framework. You can find the x86 and x64 installers for the Visual C++ redistributables on Microsoft's official site. Be sure to install both to ensure full compatibility. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the System Data OLE DB module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Remember that System Data OLE DB module DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with System Data OLE DB module. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching System Data OLE DB module today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.